How to add this PC icon to desktop on Windows 10. Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how you can add this PC or my computer on our desktop. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. First of all, open up your desktop. After that, simply right click on your screen, your home screen. After that, head over to the personalize section. At the last option, just head over to it and your settings will appear on your screen. You just need to head over to the theme section and right scroll until you are able to see desktop icon settings. Just double click on it and this pop-up will appear on your screen where you'll be finding computer section. Just check mark on it and apply an OK. Just go to apply. After that, simply click on OK and then close your settings of your computer. After that is done, it will refresh your page and you'll be finding this PC on your desktop very easily. So therefore, you may follow the step in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.